Did you know that you can make personality fixtures inside your light controller 1024? If you don't know yet, this video is for you. So make sure to finish the video and of course, don't forget to subscribe and share so that it can help others in the industry. Come on, let's start! We have a fixture that we will make the moving head beam 250. It doesn't have a personality inside our light controller. So let's first find the personality of this beam 250. The manual always includes the personality list. It has 13 channels and 15 channels. So what we will use here is the 13 channel. So here are the personality guides. Here is the numbering, and here is the numbering of 15. So since we will use the 13 channel, we will follow this. So how do we do that? So make sure that your beam 250, let's close this first.
You will put this beam 250 in the corresponding channel. So let's see if we will move it to the channel. Channel, let's move it 15. Let's make it 13. Okay, so the channel is already 13 channels. Here, channel, earlier 15. Let's make it 13. So it's already channel 13. So let's check our personalities first if we have any. So setup, personality manage, update and edit personality. These are our personalities. Let's require up to beam 100. So we don't have beam 250 yet, right? Okay, so let's repeat. You will go to setup and setup, then go to personality, manage, then edit personality. You will edit this personality. So on top of that, this letter A, you will create a personality. So here in the name, of course, we will do beam 250. To create a letter, just use this V, okay? This is its V wheel. Beam, then just down the cursor to next. There, just down the cursor. Then, just continue. Beam.
Once you're okay with that, press the Enter key to next. The question is channel number. So we will use this wheel again. Let's make it 13 channels. Okay? So enter. There. So it's all empty. So 1, 2, 13. Empty, right? So let's follow this. Okay. So let's start with horizontal. So horizontal is pan or panning, right? So what you're going to do there, just click on number 1, it will highlight. Go here to tilt, click here, it will change. So let's check this. When I click this, can you see that? I will click tilt, right?
Just click it again. So pan. Pan. There, it's already pan. See? It's already pan. Okay. Next, let's go to number 2. What is number 2? You will look here. There, number 2. Don't look at the second line because it doesn't have a corresponding number channel. So here in number 2, what is this? Vertical. So tilt. So click here again in this tilt area because it's tilt and pan. There. Tilt. So it's already tilt. Okay? Number 3 is speed. Click this. Go back to tilt. You can see the fine channel there. Number 4 is dimmer. Okay? So click here again. Look for the dimmer. This is the dimmer. There. Click dimmer. It will become dimmer.
Next is number 5. Our number 5 is strobe. Okay? Click. Click this. We're here in strobe. This is our strobe shutter. Okay? There, it will become iris. Fine shutter. It will become shutter. So let's go to number 6. Let's go to number 6, down. This is our number 6. Our number 6 is color, okay? Click. Let's look for color. There, color. Color 1, that's it. Just put color 1. Next is pattern. What does pattern mean? That's gobo. Let's look for it here. Number 7, let's go to gobo. This is also gobo. Let's click this. There, gobo 1. Number 8, what is number 8? Prism. Prism motor operate shot. This one, this beam 250, the prism is number 8. Let's look for number 8. The prism is here in speed button. That's the speed button. Let's put the speed there. Speed and prism are the same. Once you reach the number, the prism will open at 100. See, the prism will open. 128 to 255 is the fast and slow of prism rotation. Let's put it here in speed, okay? We have 8. Number 9, where is number 9? 7th, color effect. This is called rainbow. In this function, our rainbow is here. Let's put it here in zoom. Zoom and focus. Our rainbow is here. Number 9. Let's click it here. It's here when we click it, the focus button. See, zoom or focus. Okay, this zoom, we can replace it with the so-called 7th color effect. Let's call it rainbow. Just click in front of it. There, we can erase it. We'll be using rainbow. Or, let's put it here. There, it's now rainbow. Let's go back here. Click it again. Oh, it's exit. The name is now rainbow.
Next is self-walking mode. Let's call it automatic. It's number 10. Let's put it here. Let's click 10. What I'm doing is you go to 9 to 16, then in this dimmer, there are the effects. This effect. There, that's what I'm going to click. Because we're in 9 to 16, I'm going to click this. It will be the effect. Let's just apply the effect to it since we're not going to use it much. Now we're at 11, reset. Let's go down. 11, empty. Let's click this. Actually, it shouldn't be there anymore. But for now, so we can see, I'm going to put this in the cyan magenta area, this part, because we're in 9 to 16. I'm going to click that. There, it's fine. That's it. Okay, so 12. 12 is the strip effect because it has a strip. It has a strip here. So what we're going to do is, let's go back to 1 to 8 so you won't forget. Let's click this. Let's get this second gobo function. So I'll click that, then gobo number 2. So it's like a new gobo, right? Okay. And then it says gobo number 13, it's a strip speed. Its speed is number 13. So let's click this. Let's go back here. There. So gobo 2, let's go to gobo rotation. Gobo 2 rotation because its speed is number 13. Okay, so our 13 channel, let's double check. Pan, tilt, blah, 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 everything is there. Okay, enter. Okay. So these lamps, I know it should be 250, but let's just set it to 0. Let's enter. That means that it already has beam 250. We're done. We patched it. We put it here. So now, how do we put it in? What address can I put it in? So we're going to patch fixtures. Okay? Patch, then patch fixtures.
There. So look for the beam 250. So it's third here. Click this. Okay, where are we going to put it, right? Where are we going to put it? So for now, our moving head is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 9 to 16, and as far as I know, it's still vacant. Okay, so it says here auto calculate address. So since we put 13 channels, let's start with DMX 166. So when I click this 9, let's patch it there, right? 166 plus 13 is 179 here on number 10. Let's click this. Okay, so 166 and 179 is the address that we need to set here in our Beam 250 where we'll put the address. Let's check our patch now. Okay, patch information. Let's look for it. There it is. Oops, there it is. This is what we'll do now. 166. Let's go to 166, boy. Let's just 166. Enter. Nice. So here, again, address. This is 179. Let's look for 179. Let's look for it, guys. There it is. This is the real deal. Okay, so we set it in the correct address. It's in daisy chain, right? DMX, XLR, XLR. Make sure it's in universe A because this is the B, this is the A. Let's set it. Now, what we'll do is we'll go to page picture 1. Let's click this. Let's escape this first. Let's click this 9 and 10. Let's locate it. Bang. That's it.
We'll click tilt. We'll see if it's already moving. Go ahead and okay. Oh shit. Panning again. Let's look at if the shutter works. All right. Let's check the dimmer. If it works. Nice. Let's check the color. Very good. It's also strong. Let's check the prism, if the prism works. There it is. Nice. 1 speed. Slow. It's also strong. Let's check the gobo. Very good. Everything works. Oh, there's also Wi-Fi. Okay, let's check the speed. The color. Let's check the dimmer. Nice. And then let's check the strip effect. It's here in Gobo 2. Let's see if it will go on. Wow, very good. So this is the speed. Fast or slow. So we can change the design or a nice design. That's it. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from our video on how to set a personality inside our DMX 1024 controller. Even if you didn't use Show Deck, it's just very fast, right? You just need the personality guide of your fixtures so that it will work faster. All right? So for those who watched until the end, thank you very much. And for those who are always supporting us and watching us, thank you very much. We can't upload because we are busy sometimes. For those who just watched this video, please help us grow our channel so that we can make our vlogs better. And if you want something to feature us here, we will do that. No? Shout out to those who are commenting and sharing. Thank you very much. You are a big help. Thank you to all those who are supporting. Matalino talaga ako. I have nothing else to say. Thank you and God bless. All right, let's go Beam 250.